may have heard about different mind stacking disorder, and today in DD Talks I am going to talk about one such disorder. Hello guys, myself Afas Syam, a student of ISRA University, Karachi, representing the ambassador Kunal Sharma. So guys, let's talk about retinal hemorrhage. Now first of all, what is retina? Retina is a sensory layer that lines the inner surface of the back of the eyeball. It is composed of several layers, including one that contain specialized cells called photoreceptors. Retina receives light and convert light into neural signals and send these signals to brain for visual recognition. As you can see the image. Retinal hemorrhage. Retinal hemorrhage is a disorder in which the bleeding occurs in the retina. As you can tell from this image. Now what are the causes of this disorder? Any guesses? Let me tell you. Number 1, hypertension. Increased blood pressure can cause retinal vascular damage. Number 2, retinal vein occlusion. When retinal vein is blocked and cannot drain blood from retina, cause leakage of blood from blood vessels. Number 3, anemia. Cause deficiency of oxygen which leads to tissue death. Number 4, leukemia. Leukemia can also cause retinal hemorrhage. Number 5, diabetes. High blood sugar level can cause damage to blood vessels of retina and it causes retinal hemorrhage. Now come to number 6, systemic hypoxia. It is a deficiency of oxygen, especially in high altitude areas, which stimulates the formation of new blood vessels and this leads to hemorrhage. Number 7, trauma. Any injury, any single injury to retina or its blood vessel can also cause retinal hemorrhage. Who can affected by this disorder? Newborns due to birth trauma. It can also affect infants due to injury, maybe accidental or maybe non-accidental, and adults who can also suffer from this retinal hemorrhage disorder. Now what are the signs and symptoms of this disorder? At early stage, no signs and symptoms are shown, but when it gets severe, these symptoms are shown. Floaters in the vision. Patient also see cobwebs, blurriness, distorted vision and haze in their vision. As you can tell from this image, the floaters and the distorted and blurred vision. Red tint to vision and rapid flashes of light in the vision. Patient may suffer from headache and ultimately the sudden blindness and you can lose your vision. The blindness and headache. How can you diagnose this disorder? By using ophthalmoscope or fundus camera in order to examine the inside of the eye. Fluorescein angiography test to examine the blood vessel in retina to know is there any damage to blood vessel or there may be another reason. Number 3, eye examination to check the condition of the patient's eye. Number 4, blood vessel to reveal medical condition of the patient causes retinal hemorrhage. How can you treat this disorder? By antibiotics. It can be treated by following drugs, Avastin and Lucentis. These are repair hemorrhage in diabetic patients and patients with hemorrhage associated with new blood vessel growth. Nutritional treatment: vitamin A, B, C, essential fatty acids, fish oil, flaxseed. The consumption of these things may strengthen and heal the blood vessel, as you can see the image. In severe cases, surgical treatment is used. Laser surgery is a treatment option in which laser beam is used to seal off the damaged blood vessel in the retina. as you can tell from the image. This disorder is preventable and curable also. How can we prevent this disorder? It is recommended to consult with ophthalmologist or optometrist as early as possible. Special care of people who have vision problems, regular prenatal care and monitoring of infants with high risk of the disorder. Regular blood pressure checkup because it is associated with hypertension, monitoring your daily food intakes to practice a stress-free lifestyle and release mental stress by exercise. That's all from me guys. Hope you learned something from this video. Please hit the thumbs up and share my video and subscribe the channel.